Today,
You like that, don't you?
we actually about to let that gun sound.
You're welcome to put that back here on the table if you like. Or even, it might even come off of this thing here. Doing all right? And the worst part of it is right next door. Those short barrel rifles, they're just loud. It's not.
Yeah. So I have a bullpuck at home, a shotgun. It's just like that.
Now, is it loud coming back to you?
Nah, not
Not that bad,
No.
but everybody else it is.
really.
Yeah.
Like I said, I have the.
Is it right here?
Okay, it's right there. It's hidden. Thank you. It's hidden. It's right here.
Okay. We're in there now. See that?
I was aiming halfway between the edge of the paper.
especially the guy that set the rifle up. I mean, hey, you did exactly what I needed you to do with my milestone.
Yeah.
I like it. Appreciate it. High school, I was a lot smaller.
Oh yeah.
Like I hit my last growth spurt the summer after high school, so I went from like 5'9", 177 pounds to 6'4", like 230. So now I'm like 200 now. Everybody sees me, I'm like, oh shit, you got pretty good. I'm like,
You could have a great cover story with that. You went in and
oh, is that the 16 or is that the 11.5 with the polonium?
Yep, K.
Nice.
It's a running some bitch.
Oh yeah.
That's the one with the adjustable gas block on it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a lot of gas. That is a bitch.
Here's that 13. Perfect injection pattern.
Yeah,
The gun don't fit.
yeah. Yeah. One day I'll run down that rabbit hole.
Let me know, dude.
Yeah.
I've got the.
All right, fellas, I'm out of here.
Take it easy.